Today we're making clafoutis. Hi and welcome to Seasoned and Clueless. I'm Lee.
I'm Alec.
And today we are doing clafoutis.
I'll tell you what it is. It's a clafoutis. It's a French custard style tart. It's usually made with cherries, but today we're going to be using grapes.
Did we just go straight into the ingredients?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So we have 60 grams of plain flour, 3 eggs, some vanilla extract, which is going to be a teaspoon, some salt, 60 ml of double cream, 180 ml of milk, and a knob of butter, 25 grams of ground almond, and 55 grams of caster sugar.
First thing we're going to do is melt the butter in the skillet, because that's what we're going to be cooking it in. This is going to go into a 200 centigrade oven to melt and get hot. Now the first thing we're going to do is mix the eggs, sugar and a pinch of salt until they go pale and frothy. Yeah, so today I'm getting the apprentice to do this.
They're frothy but not pale, in my opinion.
Right, now add the flour, almonds, and then beat them again until it's smooth. Now you add the milk and cream and the vanilla. You got to give that a good whisk. Right. Right, now the butter's melted in the skillet. She's going to put a ladleful in here. And what we're going to do is just let that set a little bit, just so that we can put the grapes in, because it will hold the grapes in place so that they don't bob around all over in the custard. So we'll just let that set just a few minutes. Right, so you can now put the grapes in. This will also give the base a nice crust on it. Right, now we've got the grapes in. As I say, it's usually made with cherries, a traditional French dish, but we're using the grapes that you can't usually buy in supermarkets because they're very high in sweet and they taste very jammy when you eat them. Now, when this is cooked, hopefully some of these will burst and it will put the juice and the colour through the custard. So she's now going to pour the rest on. And you can see that the grapes have been held. Now I'm going to put it back into the oven for about 40 minutes. What's it called? What's this thing called that we made that's in the oven?
Clafoutis.
A clafoutis. We're going to get the clafoutis out of the oven. It should be cooked. Been in there for about 40 minutes. Right, we've got the clafoutis out of the oven. And it is cooked. It's got a nice crust on it. It's the way that I like it. Now, it's best to serve this just warm, not piping hot. And you can serve this from the dish. And you can just tuck in and help yourself. I don't know if my accomplice here is going to try some or not.
I may as well try.
Because I know you don't like these sort of things. So I'll have a little bit here first. And that's it, cough, you've got this up. Right, we'll give it a taste test. Be honest on your opinion, because you're not used to eating things like this. Be honest on what you think of the texture and the taste.
No, the grapes themselves are really nice. However, I don't really like custard type pastries. So I wouldn't have it again.
Nice and sweet. Mmm. Right, now the grapes themselves, they've gone really nice and soft. And they've got like a jammy taste to them. And this is really good. But that is really nice tasted, isn't it?
Not for me, but for you, yes.
Oh, young generation don't know what they're missing.
If you want to see more like this, hit the like and subscribe buttons to join us on our food adventures. For now, it's bye from me.
Bye from me.